Sanibonani guys, igama unqabile ngibasela amazwi inimba angomhla ka-15 June. Guys, u-Azande-ke uvuke ekuseni ngovivi wagqoka isudi yakhe ubhuti wahlala phezu kwasofa ungazuthemba ukuthi emsebenzini kanti uzophuza nje utshwala kuphela. Lazarus uthe mengena amfice kule condition akuyona wamane wanikina ikhanda wathi, Azande, awuzukwazi usela ekuseni kangaka, uzama ukwenza njani? Kubalekela izingxaki zakho. Lalela-ke bhuti, thi ngikuxalela into ongayibuzanga. Iy'ngxaki zakho sazoyifica zikulindile ngomso. So, utshwala abusiyona impendulo. Wathi ndiyayazi leyo nto. Waqhubeka kodwa waphuza. Wathi lalela la, yazi la koNgcukana kukhishwa iy'mali ey'nkulu uyofundiswa wena. Waya phesheya kwey'lwandle uyosebenza. Ngoku uyabuya apha uza la eSouth Africa ukuzodestroya ifamily yakho. Wathi yeyi, ungalinge wena ungitshele lokho, ungalinge nje. Mina nawe asifani. Wena nawe uyile esikolweni kodwa ubukade unomuntu okukhokhelayo. Utata wakho bekade ekulida, eku-advise-a. Mina bengilinde ubani? Mina bengi-advise-wa ngubani? Bengingenamuntu mina. Wathi yabo, usuphinde futhi usebenzise leyo excuse again. Sizoxabana nje. Phinde usebenzise leyo excuse. Wathi vele thina nawe sobabili lakho ispace sethu asifani, asikhulanga ngendlela efanayo. Guys, wamane nje wabona uLazarus ukuthi lo mfana usezama nje ukuthola iqhinga lokuphunyuka kulo imfishi yobubishi lodaka esiyifake kulona. Guys, uLazarus uthe lalela-ke, uzongixelela yonke into. I want to know everything. How this whole thing started. I want to know everything about lo Bill lo. Ukuthi ungene kanjani vele la. Lazarus uthe ukusho lokho-ke Azande wathela enye iglasi yewayini guys. Wathi khraqa emphinjeni ezama ukuqoqa isibindi. Uthe suka lapho wathi, yazi, i-slow start siyangibambezela mina. Billy William umane wavula iminyango emikhulu from the beginning. Big offices, big spaces. Ndabona ukuba mina nami sendize ndayithola lento bekade ndiyifuna. Shuthi kahle kahle vele ubhuti kade aqala ukufuna izinto ey'sheshayo. Akafuni nje ukuthi aqale slow. Ufuna nje zithi yisuka nje zithi CEO. Big position, big chairs, big everything. Hhayi-ke, Bill William gave him just that. Ushilo-ke ukuthi Bill William, i-operation yakhe was very simple. He wanted someone who will recruit abantu abamnyama from Africa. People who are smart. People who have brilliant ideas but who had no funding. So Azande-ke yena into ebekumele ayenze ukuthi-ke afike kulabantu ey'khalise nje njengomuntu naye uqale from zero. Waqede wadlondlobala. Umuntu ofana nabo ebusweni, who is black just like them. Umuntu abazomethemba because mekufika indoda emhlophe bazoba nokungabazi ukuthi yabo labantu beyinikeza ama-ideas abo. So Azande is a perfect face, perfect language. Like umuntu nomuntu uzomane amkhole nje engakaqedi nanokuqeda nje speech sakhe. Yes-ke wavuma kodwa esho ukuthi this thing is wrong. Bathe mebebona kuBill William ukuthi ngathi useqala ukuhudula iy'nyawo Azande ngalama ideas lawa bamane bampromota guys, bamnikeza iposition enkulu eholela kakhulu nenikeza ngisho ama-bonuses amakhulu. Uyabuza-ke uLazarus ukuthi was money worth it? Uthi no, at the end of the day it was not even about imali. It was about i-fidelity. Usho njalo guys u-Azande. Wathi like bekade beneshosho ukuthi uma efika yena laphaya uzobuya nayo i-idea. Noma kuthiwa bamfakaphi uzoyibuya nayo i-idea iphile, which means he was good at manipulating these children u-Azande. Usiyabuza-ke uLazarus ukuthi and then what happened after? Useyasho-ke ukuthi kunama-contracts amakhulu babemsayinisa wona and wonke lama-contracts agcine semsabisa ngoba yonke into yayikhomba yena. Yonke into it was Azande, Azande, Azande. Akukho la kokuvela igama likaBill William khona. Waba nokwesaba-ke manje ukuthi ngampela if kukhona into eputshukayo uyena ozothatha i-fall alone. Okuyinto vele siyenzeka njengamanje. Uthi-ke wakhetha ukuthi-ke ashiye phansi yonke into, abuye back to South Africa, eze-ke emndenini wakhe ukuthi yabo ukhuphula inkampani yasekhaya kaNgcukana. Uthi-ke kodwa uthe mefika la hhayi impela-ke umndeni wangamamukela kahle-ke, which is why he got disappointed. Usethi-ke uLazarus, okay, and then i-idea-ke kaQhawe yafika. What exactly? Kube ukubuya nje i-idea kaQhawe kwamane kwavusa yonke into, kwangathi angaphinde aqhubeke-ke manje-ke enze lento adume ngayo ukuthi-ke antshontshe ama-ideas-ke abantu abanikeza uBill William, because vele ekugcineni kosuku u-Azande lento bese kuyinto ayiphilayo. So noma ubame ukuthi ufika ne-idea like yamvuselela ukuthi aphinde yabo aqhubeka la agcine khona. Ngisho kade seyishile yonke lento guys. And uyasho ukuthi uBill akashongo ukuthi no, qhubeka. Ube ukuthi nje I quit, what, it's fine, you can go. As long as you do not expose anything, you do not expose me, you can go. But-ke uQhawe uthi mefika nale idea ye-bio medication, wavuka umhlwenga guys, kwangathi ubhuti angaphinda aqhubeke la agcine khona. Kanti la ezobeke unogwaja-ke esebambeka ogibeni. Guys, akupheli-ke lapho. Usiyasho-ke u-Azande ukuthi yazi uBill William is after me. And he's not gonna stop until he gets me. Yabona nje le article is just the beginning. He is coming for me, Lazarus, he is coming. And ukusho lokho guys uyaqhaqhazela. Yay, guys. Kulukhuni kuba nesitha esisabekayo. Because yabona manje uyazi ukuthi he has destroyed so many people. People he didn't even knew. Imagine-ke u-Azande njengoba emazi kangaka. Shuthi kahle kahle ayingenokuthi uzomdestroy, uzomhlafuna amfele guys. And manje ufuna-ke uLazarus angenelele amsize. Yabona-ke leyo guys, angiboni ukuthi it's a good idea. Because vele uLazarus is a threat njengoba nje ekumkhakha ofanayo benoBill William. So mewukuthi uyazama ukufaka ikhanda lakhe kule ndaba le ka-Azande, I don't think ukuthi uBill William is just gonna go down nje kalula kanjalo without destroying the both of them. Mina engingakusho ukuthi akamyeke nje u-Azande ngoba vele naye u-Azande akakaze bafisele ubuhle bandla-ke uzoleka benoLazarus. So akashi nje ashise umlilo wakhe. Lazarus unenhliziyo enhle kakhulu kabi ukuthi angangena ngekhanda koshaka bekhamisile guys. No. Akake nje umntwana ashiswe into zakhe ukuze afunde, because yabona u-Azande will never learn if he gets help each time ethatha ama-decisions abhedayo empilweni. No-Onga bekade busy emqhoboza naye akakezwe ukuthi if kulo mhlaba uqhoboza abantu kukhona naye umuntu omkhulu kunawe ozokuqhoboza. Guys, ilokho nje engingakusho. Aphela lapho amasivela namhlanje. Ngingakhohlwa ukusubscribe and like and comment. Until next time, bye. Sanibonani guys, igama uNqobile.